Hello, beautiful soul. Welcome to Infinite Manifestations. I am thrilled to have you join me on this journey of self-discovery and manifestation. Today, I want to talk to you about the power of synchronicity and how they play a crucial role in guiding us towards our highest potential. Synchronicities are meaningful coincidences that seem to happen for a reason. They are messages from the universe, reminding us of our purpose and guiding us towards the path that we are meant to be on. They can be anything from a meaningful encounter with someone to a series of repeating numbers, or even a sudden feeling of déjà vu. The importance of recognizing synchronicities lies in their ability to bring clarity and direction to our lives. By paying attention to these coincidences and allowing them to guide us, we can tap into a deeper understanding of our life purpose and the steps that we need to take in order to achieve our goals. To recognize synchronicities, it is important to be open-minded and attuned to the subtle messages that the universe is sending us. Trust your instincts and pay attention to the things that catch your eye or seem significant. When you feel a strong pull towards a certain situation or person, trust that this is a synchronicity that is pointing you towards your purpose. The purpose of synchronicities is to bring us closer to our highest potential and to help us align with the divine plan for our lives. They serve as reminders of the love and support that surrounds us and encourage us to trust in the journey that we are on. So embrace the synchronicities in your life and let them guide you towards the life that you are meant to live. Behind every synchronicity is a powerful connection between our minds, bodies, and souls and the influence of the universe itself. Let me explain how this works. The science behind synchronicities starts with understanding how our brains work. Our conscious mind is only aware of a small fraction of what is happening in our lives, but our subconscious mind is constantly processing information, creating connections, and guiding us towards our deepest desires and goals. The role of our subconscious mind in creating synchronicities is crucial. It is responsible for interpreting the messages that the universe is sending us and bringing them to the forefront of our awareness. Our subconscious mind is like a GPS system, always pointing us in the direction of our life purpose and guiding us towards the path that we are meant to be on. The connection between mind, body, and soul is also a key aspect of synchronicities. Our thoughts, feelings, and beliefs have a powerful impact on the world around us and can attract or repel the experiences that we have. When we are aligned with our soul's purpose, our thoughts, feelings, and beliefs are in harmony, and we are able to attract synchronicities into our lives with ease. Finally, the influence of the universe is undeniable. We are all part of a greater plan, and the universe is always working behind the scenes to bring us closer to our highest potential. By embracing synchronicities and allowing them to guide us, we are tapping into the power of the universe and opening ourselves up to infinite possibilities and manifestations. The science behind synchronicities is truly fascinating and a powerful reminder of the immense potential that we all have within us. Embrace the synchronicities in your life and allow them to guide you towards the life of your dreams. And remember, anything is possible. So believe in yourself and the power of the universe, and let's manifest infinite abundance and joy. Synchronicities are not just mere coincidences. They are signposts on your journey to self-discovery and fulfillment. They are a sure sign that you are on the right path and that the universe is conspiring to support your growth and success. They hold immense significance and can be a catalyst for profound personal growth, self-discovery, and the attainment of your life purpose. Each synchronicity is a powerful reminder of the connection between your mind, body, and soul, and the influence of the universe. They can bring clarity and direction to your life and help you to understand your life purpose and the steps that you need to take in order to achieve your goals. They encourage you to trust in the journey that you are on and to embrace the opportunities that come your way. In many ways, synchronicities can be thought of as gifts from the universe, reminding you of the immense potential that you have within you and guiding you towards your highest potential. They can inspire you to take action and help you to overcome any obstacles that may be standing in your way. So don't ignore the synchronicities in your life. Embrace them and allow them to guide you on your journey to self-discovery and personal growth. The power of the universe is within reach, and the journey to your dreams has already begun. So stay open-minded, trust in your instincts, and allow the synchronicities in your life to lead you towards an amazing future. If you like this video so far, please give this video a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Also put the bell notification on so you don't miss any giveaways, new videos about synchronicity, manifestation, and spiritual growth. Now listen carefully. Embracing synchronicities is a journey that begins with being open-minded and aware of your surroundings. It requires paying attention to the little details in life and trusting that the universe is guiding you towards your highest potential. Here's what you need to do to start embracing synchronicities in your life. 1. Keep an open mind and be willing to embrace the unknown. Synchronicities often happen in unexpected ways, so be open to the possibility that the universe is trying to guide you. Keeping an open mind means being open to new ideas, perspectives, and experiences. It means not being closed-minded and resistant to change, but instead embracing the unknown and being open to the possibility of growth and self-discovery. Synchronicities often happen in unexpected ways, so it's important to keep an open mind so that you can recognize and embrace the signs that the universe is sending you. By being open to the possibility that the universe is trying to guide you, you can allow the synchronicities in your life to lead you towards your highest potential and towards the path that is meant for you. 2. Be aware of your surroundings and the little details in life. Synchronicities often come in the form of patterns, numbers, or coincidences, so keep an eye out for these signs. Being aware of your surroundings means paying attention to the environment and the events happening around you. This means observing the little details in life, such as patterns, numbers, or coincidences. Synchronicities often come in these forms, so it's important to keep an eye out for these signs, as they can be an indicator of the universe guiding you towards your goals and dreams. By being mindful of your surroundings and the details in life, you can start to recognize the synchronicities in your own life and use them to guide you towards a more fulfilling life. 3. Trust that the universe has a plan for you, and that the synchronicities in your life are a part of that plan. Believe that the universe is always working behind the scenes to bring you closer to your goals and dreams. When you trust that the universe has a plan for you, and that the synchronicities in your life are a part of that plan, you open yourself up to a world of possibility. By believing that the universe is always working behind the scenes to bring you closer to your goals and dreams, you give yourself the gift of hope and inspiration. By embracing this belief, you can start to see the world in a different light and recognize the signs and opportunities that are constantly presenting themselves to you. You become more attuned to the synchronicities in your life and begin to see the patterns and coincidences that are guiding you towards your highest potential. So trust that the universe has a plan for you and that the synchronicities in your life are a part of that plan. Believe that the universe is always working behind the scenes to bring you closer to your goals and dreams, and start seeing the world with a new sense of wonder and possibility. 4. Embracing synchronicities requires taking action. When you see a synchronicity, act on it. Trust your instincts and take the steps that are necessary to follow the path that the universe is showing you. Embracing synchronicities means that when you see a meaningful coincidence, pattern, or sign, you take action on it. The idea is that these synchronicities are messages from the universe, guiding you towards your life purpose and helping you achieve your goals. When you see a synchronicity, it is important to trust your instincts and take the necessary steps to follow the path that the universe is showing you. This could mean taking a new job, meeting a new person, or pursuing a new opportunity. By taking action, you are showing the universe that you are open to its guidance and that you trust in its plan for you. Ultimately, embracing synchronicities means being open to new possibilities and following the path that the universe is showing you, with the belief that it will lead you towards a fulfilling and meaningful life. I've already mentioned 4 of the most common synchronicities in the video mentioned in the info card. Some other common synchronicities are coincidental meetings, synchronized thoughts, unexpected opportunities, miraculous timing, shared experiences, recurring themes, repetitive patterns, similarities in personalities, shared emotions, or unexpected encounters with nature. If you want to learn more about those things, don't forget to put the bell notification on. Gratitude has the power to attract positive energy and synchronicities into your life. When you practice gratitude, you are sending a message to the universe that you are open to receiving blessings and abundance. By focusing on the things that you are thankful for, you are able to shift your energy and mindset to a more positive and hopeful state. This, in turn, attracts more positive experiences and synchronicities into your life. Gratitude has been shown to have numerous benefits, both physically and emotionally. It can boost your mood, reduce stress, and improve your overall well-being. Gratitude also helps you cultivate a positive and optimistic outlook on life, which can attract more blessings and synchronicities into your life. It is important to acknowledge synchronicities when they occur, as this helps you recognize the path that the universe is guiding you towards. Acknowledging synchronicities helps you remain grateful for the blessings in your life, and it allows you to see the bigger picture and understand that you are on the right path. Practicing gratitude is easy and can be done at any time of the day. Here are a few tips on how to practice gratitude. Keep a gratitude journal and write down 3 things you are thankful for each day. Start each day with a gratitude meditation. Show appreciation and say thank you to the people in your life. Take time to reflect on the things in your life that bring you joy and happiness. Incorporating gratitude into your daily life can have a profound impact on your well-being, attract more synchronicities into your life, and help you see the beauty in the journey of life. So, embrace the power of gratitude and start attracting more positive energy and synchronicities into your life today. The message of synchronicities is simple yet powerful. The universe is guiding you towards your life purpose and helping you achieve your goals. Synchronicities are signs that you are on the right path, and they serve as reminders to stay positive, trust in the journey, and take action on the opportunities that present themselves. In conclusion, synchronicities are an important aspect of our spiritual journey. By embracing synchronicities, practicing gratitude, and being open to new possibilities, we can tap into the power of the universe and attract positive energy and blessings into our lives. The power of positive energy and a grateful heart cannot be underestimated. By focusing on the blessings in our lives, we can attract more positive energy and synchronicities into our lives. So, embrace the power of gratitude and positive energy, and let the universe guide you towards a fulfilling and meaningful life. Take action today and start embracing the power of synchronicities in your life. Pay attention to your surroundings, trust in the journey, and take action on the opportunities that present themselves. Remember, the universe is always guiding you towards your life purpose, so stay positive and trust in its plan for you. Are you experiencing strange coincidences that keep happening repeatedly? Do you feel like the universe is trying to send you a message? It just might be. Discover the 4 common synchronicity signs that show you're on the right path towards your life purpose and greater good. Check out the next video. Be open to receive, and I hope to see you in my future.